live in alignment with where you're going and not the current moment. So Proverbs 1 and 5, let the wise hear and increase in learning. Big picture thinkers treat life like a teacher. They don't just go through experiences, they grow through them. The proof is going to be in your improvements. So don't set out to prove a point, set out to improve yourself. Success requires seeing more than the moment. Scripture says in 2 Corinthians 4 and 18, we look not at the things which are seen, but at the things which are unseen. Big picture thinkers have this ability to zoom out. So starting right where you are and building, not staying where you are and staying stuck there. Small picture thinking says, I'm not ready. But big picture thinking says, this aligns with who I am becoming, so I'm stepping into it.